exactly is in the Scentsy Starter Kit? If you decide to become a consultant, of course, this is something that you want to know. So I am going to line it all out for you today, show you exactly what you are going to get in that starter kit. Hey guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I own a fragrance business called Jami Jo Sells Wax. And as you can tell by what you're seeing around me and this video in itself, I have a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance. I partnered with Scentsy all the way back in 2008. So I have been working with them and their products for over 14 years now. And one thing that has remained consistent in that entire 14 years that I have been with the company is the price of their Scentsy Starter Kit. When I started all the way back in 2008, it was $99, and still today, that starter kit is $99, but you get well over that in the value of the products. So first of all, if you're watching this, you're probably contemplating a partnership with Scentsy yourself. And let me tell you that there is no better decision that you could make. As you can tell, I love Scentsy. I've been with them for over 14 years, but I love so many different things about the business. I love the products themselves. They work. They're the best in the market for these types of products, and they're super affordable. So for those reasons, I find it easier to sell these items than other items I've tried to sell before. Scentsy is not the first company that I've partnered with, but I will tell you it is the first company that I made money with, and I made money in my very first month. But more than that, I love the community of Scentsy. Among both corporate and other consultants, it's very different from the other companies I had tried. There very much is a family atmosphere with Scentsy, and I absolutely love that. So I know that if you're watching this and considering a partnership with Scentsy, you might have other questions, and I just want to let you know that I'm happy to answer those questions for you. Zero pressure from me, just the answering of your questions. So feel free to text me at any time. You can reach me at 918-888-9690, or you can also find me on Facebook or Instagram. Both of those are Jami Jo Sells Wax, just like this YouTube channel. All right, guys, so let's jump into what you came here to hear. What is in the Scentsy Starter Kit? Now, I am filming and uploading this video in the spring and summer season of 2023. The kit does change a little bit from catalog season to catalog season just because of product changes. But for the most part, you're gonna see the exact same things in that starter kit and pretty much the exact same value. So first of all, Scentsy is a company that specializes in wax and warmers. So of course, in your starter kit, you are going to get a warmer and a bar of wax. Now you are going to get a classic curve warmer. I don't have one of those on hand, but this right here is what this warmer is going to look like. This is our standard, our basic warmer. This warmer has been around the company for longer than I have, so longer than 14 years. And I will tell you that while it is basic, I still sell tons of this warmer. So it's a great warmer to just get started with. They are going to give you a bar of black raspberry vanilla wax. This is our top selling bar of all time. So the perfect choice for them to give you in the starter kit. Now that warmer that I showed you was a value of $35. This is a value of $6. Guys, don't worry about adding this all up because I'm gonna do it for you at the very end of the video, but I just wanna let you know what exactly you're getting in your kit and the value of each of those items. Now, the next item you're going to get is a mini fan diffuser. If you have not seen this, it is a featured product in our fan diffuser line, which I absolutely love. We have four different products in this line, but they are going to give you this mini fan diffuser in your kit. I absolutely love it. It comes with a USB cord. You can plug it into anywhere you have a USB port. This fan starts and blows air through our Scentsy pods. That's the next item you're going to get is a pod pack of Amazon Rain, one of my favorite fragrances. So the pods are just a little plastic cage with scented beads in it. They're used in quite a few different products, but they are used on this mini fan diffuser. This is a value of 15. The pod pack is a value of 10 right there. They are going to give you a bottle of Vanilla Mint Counter Clean. If you've never used our Counter Clean, I really think they misnamed this product. I think it should be called Magic in a Bottle because that's exactly what it is. This stuff cleans everything. Everything. And Vanilla Mint is a fragrance that was discontinued, but people begged and begged and begged, and Scentsy brought it back. So you are going to get the Counter Clean and Vanilla Mint. You will get a hand soap and a hand cream, both in Make a Splash. This hand cream is almost empty because I used it on my vacation. Yeah, I can't even get any out. I need to order some more. I took it on my vacation and used it to create a scent memory. You should check out my video on scent memory because scent memory is a pretty cool thing if you don't know anything about it. You are going to get a car bar. It's going to come in Amazon Rain, but I didn't have Amazon Rain, so this is just a different fragrance. But the car bars, you can see one up here. They can just hang freely from your rear view mirror and put off fragrance in your car. You're going to get one of those. That is a value of $6. I didn't tell you, 9 and 9. Stickers. You are going to get 4 different packs of scratch and sniff stickers. Now, these are the coolest thing because I put it on my Happy Mail and my Smell Mail all the time. You will get a pack of coconut lemongrass and Luna in the wax fragrances, and then you will get in the oil scented sticker, eucalyptus lavender and twinkle twinkle. I love twinkle twinkle oil. It smells so good. So 4 different packs of stickers. Those are valued at $3 each. You will get a packet. I'm not exactly sure how many come in it, but a packet of different samples that you can pass out to people. It's going to be a mixture of laundry products, body products, and clean products. You can use those yourself, or you can pass them out to friends and family to get them to try products as well. I'm not sure the exact value on this, about $12, because I don't know how many they're putting in the starter kit right now. You are going to get a baggie of felt, the Classic Curve felt. Now let me show you what this is. It simply is a piece of felt fabric, but it's cut in our Classic Curve. It has our logo on it. So why would you even want this? These are so cool to make fragranced samples with. So you just put Scentsy wax in a warmer, let it fully melt down, drop these in there, and then just let them dry on a piece of wax paper or foil. And then you can pop them in a little mini zipper bag, which Scentsy's also going to give you in your starter kit. And then you could just pass that out for like a sniff sample for your friends. So this is $6. The mini zip bags that they're going to give you is $2 value. You are going to get, guys, this is the bread and butter of your business. A full set of wax testers. So these are, I call them my employees. These are what are going to make you money, because these are a sample of every single fragrance that is in the current catalog. It's valued at $34. And like I said, this and actually I would used to say a catalog was the most important, but now that everyone's shopping online, really, this is the most important part of your business, because our customers want to smell what they're going to get. So you're going to get a full set of testers, $34 value. You're going to get 3 different guides. I have so much stuff on my desk in front of me. I don't even know where they are. But you're going to get a quick start guide, a consultant guide, and a product training guide. All super important, but that product training guide I think is absolute gold, because it's going to answer all the questions that you might have about our different products. Maybe you don't know about all of the products that we're offering, so that training guide is going to be perfect for you. You are going to get an entire pack of catalogs. There is going to be 20 catalogs in there. So these are like our big, pretty catalogs. Like I said, They're amazing for your business, but now that we have online, that's just as good too. But you'll get 20 of these in your starter kit. You will get, these come on like a tear-off sheet, product lists. These I put these in all my Happy Mail. If I do an event, this is what I pass out because these are super affordable. You're gonna get a pack of 50, which is a $3 value. So you can imagine if you're passing these out like candy, they're super affordable. So that's what you want to be passing out. But you're gonna get a pack of 50 of those. You are going to get host and join brochures. I'm completely out of those. I need to order some more. You're gonna get a full pack of those. $3 value. You're going to get a full pack of order forms, 100 of these. That's valued at $7.50. And I'm telling you, 100 order forms is going to last you forever and a day because most people are ordering online right now. It's very rare that I interact with an actual paper order form. So they're going to give you 100 of those. Those are going to last a long, long, long time. You are going to get 2 packs of postcards. One is going to be invitations, and one is going to be thank you cards. So you can use those in your business all the time. Those are each a $4 value. You are going to get merchandise sacks. I'm not quite sure which ones they're putting in the kit right now. That can range anywhere from a $1 value to a $10 value. You are going to get those mini zip sacks I told you about. But then this is super cool. You're going to get a tote bag. It might not look exactly like this because they change the colors all the time. But what I love about it is insulated. So you can use that for all your business supplies, or you can just use it as a tote bag. It is branded, so then people will know you are a Scentsy consultant. Guys, if I add up the value of all of this, it's $224.50. But what is not on here is, I think, the highest value, maybe not monetarily, but the highest value item that you could ever have in your Scentsy business, and that is your website. You are going to get your website for free for 3 months. Guys, we are in a world of online shopping, and a website is absolutely essential to your Scentsy business. So that's everything that's coming in the regular full Scentsy kit. Of course, you are going to get mentorship from your sponsor. I would love to be your sponsor, but you have the option of choosing any consultant that you would like. If you have any questions about this kit or joining Scentsy or anything about the Scentsy community, like I said earlier, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Text me anytime at 918-888-9690. If you're ready to jump on board with your partnership with Scentsy, you can go to JamiJoSellsWax.com and click the join button or getting started. I don't remember what I put up there, but pretty self-explanatory. It's in the top right corner of the website, and we can get you going today with your partnership with Scentsy. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy, because all this stuff smells good, but also I'm here to help you make the best educated decision about your partnership with Scentsy and answer any questions that you might have.